Well, good day, people in the world of YouTube. The Dodge Caliber won't start. The final part of the electronic series, as you've seen in earlier videos, I've had issues with the wiring being corroded and having to be reconnected, and the relay box that was behind the headlight on the driver's side, I extended the wires and replaced it and brought it up just beside the battery so the water won't get at it and corrode it. And for the last month or so, we've been fooled or figuring out how come the engine light keeps staying on it, and we get a code of ambient air. And we switched the sensors, 3 or 4 sensors, then we used another car, same year of car, and found out that it was throwing a whole bunch of codes, but this car was still throwing the same code. So it wasn't, how can I say, they were different. So anyway, that proved one point. It had to be in the ambient air system. And that wire doesn't go to the computer. It only goes to the fuse box. So if you're dumbfounded by the fact of what can be the problem, and the continuity is there, then it's your fuse box. So you find out what code you're getting and what sensor's being affected, and you try switching that. And if that doesn't work, then you got to look at the drawings and see where those wires go to. Sometimes they go right to the computer, and sometimes they go right to the fuse box. And if it's the fuse box, it could be the fuse. And if it ain't the fuse, then the corrosion got inside somehow, and you just switch out the fuse box. It's pretty easy. You just unplug it, unscrew the bolt, the nut that's holding the positive on the bottom of the fuse panel, and switch it out, and plug it back in and turn it on. And and turn it on. You'll notice that the lights may go off, because I hope it does for you, like it has for me. And what I'd say is you might have to give it a couple minutes, and if you're getting an e-test, take it for a long drive. Don't just start it up and take it to the e-test, because I did that, and it came back not ready. And there's paperwork. So really, I think it would have passed. But now that, I gotta go and take it out for a really long drive, and then take it back in and see if it'll be okay. And that's another video. But the lights are off. It's running awesome. Actually, I have to put my ear to the thing to hear the motor running. So I like the car, and it drives real sweet. And I like it with the radio controls at your fingertips. So anyway, best of luck with all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I look forward to making more videos to help you. Thank you. Bye.